Okay, we're going to go through the boys' calendar notebooks just on video so it's easier for you to see exactly what they're doing. On the left is my younger son, he's 5, and on the right is my older son, he's 9 and in 4th grade. Okay, so each day they just write in one number at a time. The next page has number formation. For my older son, it's in cursive. For my younger son, it's in print. So they just trace one number a day. For my older son, he works on the spelling of the number words. Then we have their calendar connections page. Oh, my son has another one. I'll show you that one in a minute. They just mark it off and it gives them a 1-page document of all of our calendar connections cards. And I added this into the November document. Okay, my 4th grader has a today's number is sheet that he does. It's in a sheet protector. He does this one daily with a dry erase number marker. If the date is November 12th, his number is 12, and then he has to come up with 6 plus 6 equals 12. He has to come up with 6 different problems that equal 12. Obviously, the 5-year-old doesn't do that. Once a month, they write in their month. We discuss last month was, next month will be, and we sing our January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, and September, October, November, and December. These are the months of the year, just in case you didn't know it. Here you can see this filled in. We switched to vis-a-vis markers halfway through. That's why they're all looking funny. So they do this each day, their day of the week, and they sing together. Then they have their weather graph. They mark each day, and when the season changes, they just mark the season. So if the month has 2 seasons in it, like next month will, they'll actually just mark both, and we'll talk about the seasons. Our old calendar had a color of the day. We still do that for the sake of our 2-year-old sister, and also learning to spell and review color words. So each boy records the color of the day. They also record the shape of the day by tracing it. We also have a new geography sheet where they record the state that we're working on. We had already done 4 states before we started this, so we're going backwards and recording them. We're using Erica's state printables and some new ones that I found that I'll link in the post. And we do about 2 states a week, sometimes 1. Next is their Bible verse that we get from the Totally Tots, from Valerie makes these. We have our Bible verse that you can see my 5-year-old traces it. My older son does it in copywork. We work on about 1 a week. Then my 5-year-old has an additional sheet for his word family of the week. He adds 1 word per day, and then we go back and read them. You can see last week's was at. He also, from our You Can Read program, we have each day he records one of his sight words and reads it. So there's just 4 days that he does that. Then their daily drawing. In the back of our book, I put these little, I got these off the internet. I just shrunk them down and laminated them for us, and I made a whole bunch of them. If you look on my Pinterest board, you'll see them. But each day they just do a daily drawing. My older son loves it. My younger son hates it. But I get a little collection of all of their drawings, so we just date them. On the very last page is our prayer sheet for our sponsored children, which we have another one. We just haven't gotten her picture online yet, and we just talk about them. In the back of that, we've got our most recent photo that they've sent to us and information, and we pull that out and look at it just as a daily reminder, and then we take turns praying for them. So that is their calendar notebooks.